Hi, my name is Jill, and I'm here to pitch a new ad for your Norwegian Feel Free ad campaign. Um, Everyone equates Norwegian cruise lines with a good time, good ships, luxurious restaurants, accommodations, and shore excursions. Um, let's look at this ad. Here we have the original ad, which was the Feel Free to Play and Vacay. As we look at the original ad, we look at the design, and you see how the horizontal alignment of the ships matches the horizontal alignment of the call to action, inviting you to enjoy a carefree Norwegian cruise experience and contributes to the overall vacation theme of the ad. The center alignment is less formal than a strong right or left alignment would be. Um, Another design principle that's used is the typography. Okay, the call to action is all caps and it's a bold statement, and it contributes to the free and easy spirit of the ad. The all caps is repeated in the logo and in the hashtag, and it unifying the elements of the ad and adding visual interest to the ad. A reader will visually recognize the vacation theme of ease and comfort associated with Norwegian Cruise Line. And here in the original ad, the color is vacationy. It's got the tropical blues of the sky as well as the blues of the ocean. And they portray the same message Norwegian Cruise Line conveys. A good vacation is waiting to be had, and please choose Norwegian Cruise Line for relaxation and a leisurely, carefree vacation. You won't regret it. Now we're going to look at the new ad. Here's my new ad. As you can see, the carefree, easy to read vacation theme is carried through in the new ad. The call to action is similarly worded. Feel free to join the fun. And as visual interest to this ad, which is without that would be a picture of a cruise ship. The vacation theme of fun and leisure, coupled with the promise of luxurious accommodations, is reflected in the new ad. The new ad fits in with the original ad campaign and presents a cohesive and unified addition to the other ads in the campaign. So I hope you choose my ad. Thank you very much. Bye.